Okay, now y'all asked for a lemon cake. So here is my recipe for a moist, crumbly, delicious lemon cake with a lemon buttercream frosting. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with the rule of thumb. Sift your flour. We talk about this time after time after time. Make sure you are sifting that cake flour, okay? It makes a difference, I'm telling you. So then we're going to add our butter and our oil, and we'll cream those together, okay? All the list of the ingredients plus the measurements will be in the caption, so look for it there. Okay, and then we're going to add the sugar to that creamed oil and butter, and we're just gonna keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing it. Add the sugar in slowly so that it can actually dissolve within the fats, and then it will eventually look like this. Okay, so then from there, you're going to add in your eggs. We're doing 3 eggs, one at a time, making sure that we mix well after each egg, okay? Because the one thing about this cake is you cannot over mix it. So make sure this beginning stages of building this cake, you are mixing everything well, because when we start putting the ingredients in at the end, we're not doing a lot of mixing. Okay, from here we're going to stop mixing and we're going to scrape down the sides. That's one of the most important parts. I always reiterate that, to scrape down the sides and then start to mix again, because we're getting ready to add more ingredients. Now, when you get to the flour, you're going to do it a little bit different. So you're going to do half, right? You're going to do 1/2 of the flour first, and then you're going to do the next half of the flour after that, and then you're going to make sure that that is mixed in very, very well. Then you're going to add in your salt, your baking powder, and your baking soda. All right, and then once you get that mixed in, you're going to stop again so that you can scrape down those sides one more time, because all that you just put in there is going to be up on the sides of that bowl. All right, so then start mixing again. Make sure you got all of those solids mixed in well with your liquids. And then we're going to add in some sour cream here, followed by some milk. And then we're also going to do some vanilla. And we're also going to do some lemon extract, and just a little bit of lemon zest, and then only let that mix until it's good and smooth like this. Do not over mix it. Okay, and then you're gonna prepare your pans. I got 2 8-inch rounds here, so I'll put my parchment paper in the bottom, give them a nice little tap, and then it's gonna go in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes. Now, while that's going, let's go ahead and make this buttercream frosting. Okay, so you're going to start with 2 sticks of butter and 1 block of cream cheese. Make sure that creams very, 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 very well till it's nice and fluffy. I'm going to give you a little shot of it here. This is what it should look like. Take another opportunity here to scrape down those sides. And then you're going to add in 4 cups of your confectioner's sugar. Okay, now it's going to start to get a little bit thicker because you're adding the sugar in, so you'll start to see it get even more fluffy as the sugar goes in. And then you're going to add in your vanilla after that, and then we're going to put some more lemon in there, and then we're going to add a little bit more of the zest from the lemon and a pinch of salt. And look at it, it's coming together. Look how thick it is. It's looking so smooth and so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so go ahead and frost your cake. You can split your layers, leave them whole, it doesn't matter, do whatever you want. And then cut into this velvety, smooth, crumbly, deliciously moist lemon cake with cream cheese lemon frosting. I'm telling you, it's the best lemon cake you've ever had. Add it to your holiday table and enjoy.